This summer, I learned how to sea kayak, and a whole new world has opened to me.
Buried burdens, I'm letting go.
This is the world of travel by water, of rich marine ecosystems, of dynamic 25-foot tidal swings, and of seeing rugged coastlines as a possibility. This summer, I spent 15 days in the backcountry of Glacier Bay National Park. On one particular trip, we hugged the shoreline for miles as humpback whales fed all around us. Sometimes the whales forced us on land as the slick, gray creatures breathed all around us. Diving, plunging, and feeding in nutrient-rich waters. It was exciting and beautiful. I've never had such an intimate, prolonged encounter with humpbacks before. That night, after we set up camp, we heard the sound of a foghorn. We thought it must be from a cruise ship, but it was much too late in the day for any cruise ship to be in the bay. The deep horn sounded throughout the night. It was humpback whales just offshore. Some whales had calves who were learning how to feed from their moms. Later in the season, I helped one of Glacier Bay's whale biologists on a population survey. I told her about the trumpeting sounds we heard on the beach that night. She told me that they call that female whale the honker. She only makes those honking sounds when she's in groups of feeding whales. Oh, okay.
Saying that to comfort myself.
We all do many things to comfort ourselves. Just checking for fire rings, checking for tent rings that people use for their rocks. I'm in my yak. It's beautiful. We just set up camp for the last day. We did our kayak patrol all the way up and all the way back for the distance that we were covering. The whales have been so awesome, like so beautiful, so close to us, so close that we were too close for regulations, so we just turned and went to shore, and the whales were just everywhere. It was so beautiful. It's been really awesome. I'm worn out. I feel like I'm windburned or sunburned. This is our last night. Tomorrow we just have to kayak to the boat pickup, and that'll be that. So the boat that is supposed to pick us up is broken, so we don't know how long we're going to be out here. Probably just several more hours, I'm guessing, but we'll see. So I just came out for a paddle while I wait. The other people are building a fire. It's Alaska. Thanks so much for watching. Next time,